Hi, welcome back. Today we're gonna replace the brush set on our old Dyson unit we've had now for in between 10-12 years. It's long overdue for a brush overhaul. The current bristles that are on there right now are probably about only half as tall as these. I believe the only tool we're gonna need is a quarter. That should be the only tool we need to change this out. We have 3 little dots right here, and we just pop our quarter in there, give it a turn, unlock it. Should just pop open a little bit. There we go. Yucky, yucky. All vacuums are wonderful. That's gonna replace that. I got this on eBay for $11.77, free shipping. We're just gonna take her up here, pull her through, just rotate. Hold on to your belt. You don't want to lose it in there. Pull that over, get that started. A little fight with it, not too bad. There we go. Slowly rotate. We'll get her around there. Already falling into place. Okay. Need to line our wheels, wheel holders, I don't know. One big lift, pop her into place. And there we go. Brand new brushes. Gasket's out of place here. Snap over the edge. This one's doing no more snapping. No, it's worn out. Not that big of a deal to have that gasket. So,
what does it do?
The gasket just keeps dirt from falling backwards mostly. But as long as you keep your canister clean, she'll still suck pretty good. Little notches here, here. They line up with these little notches here. Yeah, my gasket popped out. Let's tuck her around close enough. Take our quarter, lock them back into place. And we got a almost brand new vacuum cleaner again after 12 years of good service. It's well worth a $12 roller brush set. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. definitely if you're got a Dyson 10 or 12 or 14 unit that has one of these brushes on it, spend a couple bucks every few years, change them out. You definitely scrub your floor a lot nicer. Thank you.